huria ici ciambaga ikahitwo na tondu runyanjara rwa Nairobi ni runene muno ihetagwo na ndege igacoka ikamundwa shidano ya gucigonia itanacoka kuhotwo ni hinya wa shidano na kugwa. Rhino ici irahitwo niguo ithamio kuma runyanjara rwa nyamu rwa Nairobi itoro nginya Tsavo East Sanctuary ari njira ya gucigitira kuma riera rihehu ria Nairobi.
We have over 100 black rhinos in Nairobi National Park, and you've seen the reproduction of newborns have been very high. And that's why we decided to open a new rhino sanctuary working with WWF in Tsavo East.
Ministry ya Ugendi ina itanyere guthamia inyanya no umuthi ithatu nicio inyitirwo nacio ithathatu ciagirire guthamia kuma runyanjara rwa nyamu rwa Naikuru o nginya Tsavo.
It's very traumatizing for us because anything can go wrong. Within 20 minutes you need to make sure that you have darted the animal as well as revived it and put it on the truck again revived. Because anything can go wrong and we can lose the animal.
Mufango wa guthamia rhino ici ukuya ihinda ria ciumia igiri. Rhino ni imwe cia nyamu iria igucagiriria agendi muno guku bururi-ini na no cio cioragitwo muno ni aguimi. Gitumi kia ministry ya agendi gucigitira na njira ciothe. Na riu rhino iria ciarikia kuma gikaro giki ciathie imwe kwa imwe nginya Tsavo East Sanctuary mucii wa cio mweru. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Njĩtagwo Muthoni wa Mukiri.